And I got all the eyes on me. Got a bad baby and she's in the pit.
Hello, my wonderful YouTube family, my Tubeez. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do my Luxe box unboxing, and what better month to receive it than my birth month of September. So here is our Boxy Luxe, and I'm going to go ahead. Madison had already opened this up, so here are, oops, there are goodies there. And so the theme here for Boxycharm is the Fall Luxe. I have number C2109442LX. Okay, so that's my variation number. We're gonna just start from the top here. So I have, it says contour, Cab Cosmetics contour palette, matte contour palette with 8 powders. Let's open it up and take a look. Okay, Cab Volume 1. I don't wanna drop it. There we go. Okay, so you get a nice mirror. So you have that big old mirror there, and you have your contour palette. And so like you have, you know, like your darker shades. I would probably say, you know, more so the contour shades, the bronzer, whatever, and then some highlighting parts here. We're going to put some on the face here, see? So I use my Marc Jacobs blush brush because of the slant that's on them. So let's try the caramel. Definitely a lot of flyaway. Okay, so really not bad, you know, bad. So really not mad at it. So it does work pretty nicely. So we're gonna give this a go. Next up here, let's see. This is Selena Gomez's makeup brand for Rare Beauty. This is the Confident Energy eyeshadow palette, 6 everyday neutrals and bolds. Look at how pretty that is. And on the back, you have the names of the colors. Look at how pretty those colors are. Those are so pretty. All right, well, let's start putting them on our face, huh? So I'm going to use, or of course, I'm using my oldie but goldie, my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Okay, we'll take a look-see. Let's see what we can create. We can do something simple. There was like no fallout on the palette. So look at how bold that is. Let's get creative. We're gonna start, I'm gonna be in this brown right now. And then let's do some of this blue. I'll look like a whole peacock. And then we're gonna go with this gold. And then I think we'll use that light green up here. These colors, like the powders and stuff, they're so soft. And we have this pink. We'll just put that pink right in the corners of the eyes. Look at that, that's so pretty. there, that is the look that I created with this, and I used all 6 colors in this palette. This is stunning. The colors are gorgeous. That I'm definitely going to be using like tomorrow for work. Okay, let's see what we have. Next up here, I have the Saturday Skin, and this is the Pretty Pop. It's a probiotic power whipped cream. Encapsulated probiotics, activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. So let's take a look. And it's nice and heavy. Look at how pretty. Unveil your luminosity. So let's take a look. A little safety seal here. Ooh. So it's definitely whippy. There's like a very light, I don't know if it's like a citrus smell. It smells like something I've used before and I can't, but it's a very, very lightly fragrant product here. It almost looks like whipped cream for sure. Let's put this on the lower part of our face. And don't mind that. That is a bug bite. It itches like hell. It absorbs super quick into the skin. So that's awesome in itself. Some here on the forehead. That's nice. All right. I ain't mad at you. So I would probably use this. Seems like it's a cream, so like you can still feel it, like it's a little bit thicker and stuff, but the application was very light, if that makes sense. So that's a freaking awesome one. Thank you, Young Madison. Here we have Dew of the Gods. This is the Froze Lip Scrub. Activated with hyaluronic acid and essential oils to hydrate, exfoliate, and lift. So to be honest, I don't remember ever using a lip scrub before. Was it Lush? I guess Lush. Look at this container. It's pretty awesome. So that's what it comes out. It looks like. The Gift of Forgiveness. All right. So let's take a look at this here. It's also safety sealed. It looks like little pieces of candy. That's like, it's so pretty. Oops. There you go. All right. So definitely the crystal here. Directions: gently rub across lips. Whenever they feel good, wipe off excess. I'm dropping sugar. These are really big granules. I don't know if you can see that, but they're really big granules. I'm like eating this. And so looking at the ingredients: strawberry extract, coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, vitamin E, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. And then there's a warning here. It says do not swallow. All right, so I wiped off my lips. I stuck my Jecca Black Pink Pearl Shimmer on my lips and also filled in the eyebrows. So I am super excited about that. Up next, we have the NewCo Defense Drops. These run for $35. It's a immune boosting liquid tincture. So with adaptogenic herbs and immunomodulating extracts. So anytime whenever it comes to stuff like that, they're usually antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal type deals. I'm assuming you have to put this in your mouth. Yeah, 1 dropper full every day. This contains echinacea and astragalus, proven to support immune function. So my only qualm with this is that you got to watch with a lot of herbals, especially if you're taking medications, because you don't want any type of adverse effect, side effect with it here. So I'll try this. So that's what it looks like here. Oh. Sealed for your protection. Of course I didn't. I didn't see it. 1 whole dropper full. It smells, obviously it smells really herbally, like herbal tea with some honey in it, maybe. Oh! Oh, that made me sad. God damn, look, that gave me goosebumps. Madison's laughing at me. You're wonderful, child. Like, oh God, I gotta do something to God damn. All right, we're gonna put some blush to try and freaking distract myself. I'm using the Seraphine Botanicals palette. God bless. And I'm using the color Azalea on my cheeks real quick. Oh. Did you put it in your mouth? Oh. Vicky don't like. So if you're into all that shit, okay, more power to you. Vicky is not a fan. I am not happy. All right. What's our next one here? Okay. So we have Iconic London, Triple Threat Mascara, Fed Up with Falsies, meet the gold standard of mascaras. Now you Tubeez know that I am a mascara whore, and I'm very particular about my mascara, so we're going to take a look. Ultra Black Stunning Weightless Formula volumizes, lengthens, and lifts lashes all day and night for a fluttery look. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, it's pretty packaging. I'm gonna assume though, like, because it's thin. Oh yeah. So that's what that looks like, little bristlies and stuff. So let's take a look. I'm kind of impressed. It's funny because, like, when you have it here right at the root of your lashes and then you pull up, like, can you see that? All of the lashes are like combed through. It's clean. It's not clumpy. All right, Iconic London, I'm kind of impressed. I'm not seeing, well, if I'm looking up at it in the mirror, yeah, there's some lift there. Let's go down here. I am not mad at it. I am actually really, really impressed. So let's go back in there. Oh no, bloody L, I got it in my eyeball. Oh, all right. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And I mean, like, I kind of went over this one a little bit. This is with one coat, so I can only imagine, like, what, you know, like if I had curled my eyelashes. I really am not mad at that. That looks really good. This piece here is the Adagio Not So Mini Ceramic Flat Iron. This runs for $99 fucking dollars. $99 for this little flat iron. I'm okay. 100% ceramic plates, radiate far infrared heat. Okay. Protecting hair from damage. Safe for all hair types, negative ion. And it's dual voltage, so if you go overseas and you have that 220 type voltage, you don't have to do anything with it. Just get like a plug adapter. Oh wow, she's sleek. She real pretty like. And look at how large those plates are. I should have grabbed it. I have the Conair Mini Travel, and it's legit maybe like that tall or that long, and the plates are nearly not as long as these. So I'm impressed. We're gonna have to try this product out. I'm not gonna try this on screen just because I don't have my thermal protectant here with me, but we'll definitely have to give this a go. Last but not least, we have a bamboo body polish. This runs for $49 for his little for this little ass jar of body polish. Oh, I see the little bunny thing here. So it is I keep losing it. So the polish has sustained bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle exfoliation. Jojoba oil delivers essential fatty acids and is absorbed into the skin to help you feel softer. So let's take a look. And it's vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free. Directions: scoop between fingers, apply to wet skin, and gently massage in circular motions. I like scrubs. I think especially on your longer pamper days, excuse me, your longer pamper days, like help you kind of slough off any of the accumulated dry skin that you've had, or, you know, collected, I guess, for those days. So it's kind of soupy looking, but of course I'm trying to get it to where, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of soupy looking. It smells like coconut oil. Wonder if there is coconut oil in this bad boy. There's not. It just has a fragrance, but it's definitely not. I kind of want to stick my finger in it, but we won't do that. But it is kind of soupy, so I'm going to have to do a follow-on and get you, you know, give you guys like a review on it. But yeah, $49. It better be real good. Okay, so my lovely Madison had totaled up everything for me for this month's box. 1, 2, hold on, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 8 products here. A total, she calculated, is $367.00. Oh, Madison's playing with it. Does it feel all... Okay, so the bamboo stuff is like, I don't think you can see it, but it's really small, like granules suspended in that goopy gel looking type stuff, and you can definitely feel it. It feels like it is definitely really gentle for your skin, not like the big old granules of other scrubs are, you know what I mean, which could be damaging to the skin and cause broken capillaries. So I'm very happy with my box, like I usually am, but I'm very happy for it. So like, happy birthday to me. I got some really good goodies. I want to thank you guys for supporting me and watching this video, and I hope you guys have a really good rest of your weekend. All right, mwah, bye.